Hi students, do you know in subdivision planning, during urban planning, we must need to create our right of way for the center line of roads. So as you can see in this drawing, we have many roads in our developing area which we must need to create the offset from these center lines as an edge of pyramid. So how can we do that in Civil 3D using Parcel tools as a right of way? Right of way parcel, we call them as a right of way parcel in Civil 3D. So in this exercise we will learn how to create right of way parcel to automatically place parcels for each alignment. Here we have many alignments, so we must need to do at once for all of them. So how can we do that? We will learn in this exercise. To create ROW tool creates ROW parser on either side of an alignment based on your specification. The create ROW tools can be used only when alignments are placed on the same side as the boundary parcel, as we discussed in the previous exercises. So once the ROW parcel is created, it's no different from any other parcels. It should be noted that the ROW parcel does not maintain a dynamic relationship with the alignments that created it. A change to the alignment will require to ROW parcel to be edited or more likely recreated. So you can download the drawing from the description link. When you open, you can note that this drawing has some alignments on the same side as the boundary parcel, resulting in several smaller parcels between the alignments and boundary. For creating ROW parcels, on the create design panel, parcels, here we have create right of way. At the select parcel prompt, pick all the existing parcels by selecting each of area labels. These are the area labels of parcels. On selection, feedback is given through a change in the way the selected parcel display. Just press enter to stop picking parcels. The create right of way dialog box appear, and if these are not expanded, you can expand the create parcel right of way branch and put 7 meter as the value for offset from alignment. Then expand the cleanup at parcel boundary branch and change the cleanup method to none. It's according to my specification, according to my design, but it can be different in your design, so you can practice with all of them, but for now we will put none here. Expand the cleanup at alignment intersection branch and put 8 meter for the fillet radius at alignment intersection, and cleanup method should be fillet. Now verify your screen as it is here 7 meter, 8 meter, and cleanup method for parcel boundaries should be none, and cleanup method for alignment intersection should be fillet. Just click OK to dismiss the dialog box and create the ROW parcels. Now exit the command pressing the escape. You can see here in your drawing that we have been created our ROW for each alignment according to our given specifications for 8 meter intersections and for 7 meter for parcel boundaries. So each alignment have now right of way parcels, and it's the same parcel like other parcel which we have in our drawing. So this is how you can create automatically parcel for each alignment in your drawing. Stay open with this drawing for the next exercise.